We got more to talk about. Do you? Congratulations.
Congratulate this young man. He graduated high school at 9 years old.
Homeschooling does wonders.
We don't know that.
Homeschooling.
We don't know
wonders.
that. But
homeschooling does wonders.
Listen, not everyone can afford homeschooling or manage homeschooling. First of all, you need someone who's educationally sound, whether that be mom or dad.
Yes. Or
right?
you could get a nanny that has the ability to do so.
The reason I started off with mom and dad is because I didn't want to tie money into it. Now you're talking about it.
But either way, somebody has to be making a significant amount because somebody has to stay home.
If you're living well below your means as a family, then you could do it.
But somebody has to work.
Of course. But
if you're living well below your means, you still need to make enough to, one, facilitate the individual that's teaching the child and the home. So you have to making enough to support 2 grown adults and a child. Mm-hmm. And if you didn't pop out another one, that's not covered up. You have to make significant amount.
Understood, but it's far easier to have one parent work and one parent teach.
Yeah.
Then other than bringing in a third party to where now you got to pay them.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, whoever is working is making money. Based off of our economy now, they are making money.
Probably.
Yes.
Probably.
Yes.
Probably a decent. I wouldn't because the country average is what, still at like 40, 50,000. So
yeah,
I mean, depending on where they live,
it depends on where they are.
Depending on where they live, and depending on their culture and nationality, because you know that place.
What state they are?
No, because I don't have it in front of me.
I was about to say, if you know what state, I could tell you how much they make.
But no, shouts out because there was a recent story of a young lady that got her doctorate at like 17 or something like that. Degree. So I mean, we had this conversation off camera. I don't think that is as common. I like putting stuff into numbers. I don't think it's above 5%.
No,
I don't think it's common.
We don't know how many individuals have been homeschooled.
How many people? I think the real question would be how many people have the capability to even think about it.
Yeah, but I would love to.
We make good. Okay,
I would love
we make decent money.
Yeah, but
we wouldn't be able to do it.
I think with the right amount, if me and whoever decides to be my other, if we're making a decent amount and we could have enough to have I wouldn't say a tutor, but I would say a nanny.
There's someone that stays at home.
Yeah, a nanny and teaches them, and then do play dates so that they have interactions with other children, because that's huge. That's the main thing, because you could homeschool, but then if there's nobody, if they can't interact with other individuals of their age, they lack that connection, because once they start getting older, it's gonna be like a cultural shock. You don't know how to interact with your peers. And then you become an outsider, and that's how we get mad scientists.
We're kind of like church girls.
But they have their church friends.
You know where I'm going with that.
Whatever. This guy out of control. Right. But yeah, big shout out to this individual for doing something amazing. But now, what's the next move? College?
Absolutely.
But that's like I said, that's another culture shock, because now you're dealing with adults and the child.
I mean, if you're taking high school classes, I'm sure that first of all, he wasn't sitting in.
No, I understand
it was a program.
Yeah.
So, and a lot of stuff is online.
Yeah,
now?
You could do so. You literally get his or her degree. It was a boy. He could get his degree.
Yeah, the 9-year-old graduated high school was a boy. The doctorate was a female.
Yeah, so
shouts out to you too.
Yeah, you could do their online courses, and then
I would say it's different. It's not like how it was when we was going to college.
Yeah,
it's not. It's you can stay at home and get a college.
Yeah,
get a college degree.
Yeah,
you know?
That's true.
You can stay at home and become a millionaire.
12 years old. It's like I'm done with college. I'm living my life. That's crazy.
And a little bit of hate can't help but creep in.
Yeah. What? What you mean?
I mean, like, yo, if a 12-year-old came up to you and was like, "Yo, I graduated college. What are you doing?" I'd be like,
"Good job. Like, I don't care.
Good job, but damn." Like, you gotta look at yourself.
I don't care.
You gotta look at yourself like, God damn.
You had the right individuals around you to get you.
Damn sure did. Damn sure did.
Care.
Shout out to Pops. Shout out to Mom.
Yeah.
Word up.
I'm alive. You alive? I made it thus far. You gotta make it. You gotta. I made it here. So we gotta see how long you make it.
Oh, stop it. Hey, I got a bigger leg up than you do.
Got the biggest legs you want.
Oh man.
I've been rolling around for quite some time. You're only 12.
Here. 9.
Oh, you could be no, you said the 12.
Huh?
I thought you said 12.
No, he was a 9.
I mean, he was 9. Like,
yeah, he's 9.
You get a good enough cold, you might not get off your bed.
Oh, man. This guy here.
Let me sneeze on you.
Keep your germs in.
Oh, man. That was a COVID joke. I mean...